Hello, I am Dr. Celal Alioğlu, aesthetic and plastic surgeon in Istanbul. Breast augmentation is not just about size. It is about beautification of breasts, proportion and self-confidence. We use most recent silicone gel implants. The most common question is round or teardrop shape. Which one is suitable for you? Round implants provide more fullness in the upper pole, giving a lifted look. Teardrop or anatomical implants mimic the natural slope of the breast. My approach to breast augmentation is to select and place the implant that is anatomically best suited to the shape of the breast. The surgery takes about 30 minutes under general anesthesia. I typically place a 4 cm incision under the breast fold, so the scar is hidden to the natural creases. Depending on your tissue thickness, we place the implant either under the muscle or over the muscle. The most important point is to have enough soft tissue coverage over the implant. I generally do not use surgical drains. That makes your recovery much more comfortable. You will stay one night in the hospital, and for our international patients, 5 days in Istanbul is enough for your surgery. You can return to your social life in about 1 week, though you must wear a medical bra for 1 month. Don't forget, this surgery never prevents future breastfeeding. I always say, my priority is always your safety. Then comes achieving the best results. Visit our website or social media accounts for more information and before-after photos. Thank you for watching.